compartment. Again, you have to see which is the medial, which is the lateral, so don't get confused. So this is the medial side and this is the lateral side. Again, this is the lateral malleolus and the head of the fibula. So this is the lateral side. So now we're talking about the muscle of the medial side. The first muscle which you can see here is this one, and this is gracilis. This is the gracilis muscle. So where is the origin of all these muscles of the medial compartment? The medial bone of the hip, the medial part of the hip bone. And what is that? That is the pubis with the superior inferior ramus. So you can see that all muscles of the medial compartment, they're taking origin from the pubic bone with the superior inferior ramus. Even if you say the pubis, that is fine. So this is the first muscle, that is called the gracilis. The origin you know, and the insertion is again, where is the insertion again? This is the third muscle now, which is attached on the medial upper part of the medial shaft of the tibia. So I again repeat, there are three muscles. One is the sartorius, one is semitendinosus from the posterior compartment, and one is the gracilis from the medial compartment. So this area is important because we have attachment of the three muscles coming from the three different compartments of the thigh. Gracilis from the medial compartment, semitendinosus from the posterior compartment, and sartorius from the anterior compartment. So the first muscle of the medial compartment, a very cylinder muscle, is the gracilis. Origin you know, insertion you know. So this is there. Now we have adductor muscles. What are the adductor muscles here? We have the adductor brevis, longus, and the magnus. So these are the muscles of the
magnus.
Magnus you can see is here. This is the magnus. Magnus is having two components. One component is taking origin from the pubis, and the other compartment is taking origin from the ischial tuberosity. So you can see that these muscles, the adductor magnus is having two muscles, two components. One is in the medial compartment that we call as the adductor part of the adductor magnus, and another is the hamstring part. So it is included in the hamstring part because one of the component of the adductor magnus is taking origin from the ischial tuberosity. So this is about the muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh. Now let's go to the leg.